What's up guys, this is Omkar from Code with Omkar, and in this video we are going to learn HTML and CSS with two big projects. Let's jump right into it. Hello friends, my name is Omkar and I am your instructor in this course. In this course we are going to learn HTML and CSS to design a website, and we are going to create a website in this video. And some more things we can learn about HTML and CSS. They are, we can use it as fast as we can. If you are a programmer, if you know some programming languages, then you can learn HTML and CSS in 2 to 3 hours. If you are beginner, you can just learn it for 1 to 2 days. Okay. And see, HTML and CSS not, they are not a programming language, they are hypertext marking languages. Means you can just take as markup languages. That's why I prefer you to use something JavaScript. This is a programming language, but in this video I'm not going to use JavaScript because that will be a complex for beginners. That's why in the next video we're going to learn JavaScript, and for backend or server side we're going to use Node.js. Okay. For that, writing a first line of program, we will use a text editor or code editor. You can open any from, if you have VS Code you can, if you have any, you can't write it in the, okay, let's try Notepad. I will try to write it in Notepad. Okay, sorry, save it. Sorry, I will open a Notepad, right? Okay, let's open Notepad. Okay, let's type here something as h1. Goodbye. Now like this you can write, but I don't like it in writing in the Notepad. That's why I use Sublime Text. You cannot, that's your, if you want to open VS Code you can open. Let's start it now, right now. Okay, I have the two files, main.css and main.html. You can create, and I have a folder named HTML courses. Let's start up first. We can just get the boilerplate. Okay, we get it. Let's my HTML CSS course. Now let's type in the body. There we go, our first program, h1. Oops. Now here we can write here hello world. Save it, open up Chrome. Okay, first right click. Now you have two options for this. You can hit Ctrl O and just open your file and locate your file and open it. Otherwise you just right click, and that's why I love or like Sublime Text. Open in browser. There you go, you can see a title given here. Title here, hello world here. H1 is a, let's I should tell you the full form of H1 is height 1 pixel. I don't know really. Let's start at H2. Hello world. Now let's get the H3. Now there are like this lots of tags you should explore. I will just use, but for creating a website you can just use this H3, H4, but there are more two tags, oh sorry, there are more three tags. Just show you here only. h4, h5, h6. You can just explore them. I will not tell you because I want you to explore them. Okay, let's now this is course that is not to explain all in the detail. Just explain you to create a website, to create something good and as fast as I can. That's why I'm going fast. And the second thing is we're going to create a website in this course. That's why be with me, be with this course always. If you are watching this on YouTube, you can just download this video and keep it at any location, at any locate or okay. Let's first of all get the P tag. P means paragraph. We can write any paragraph right now. Wait, what is it happening, man? I literally use the small cursor, that's why I have to use P tag. Okay, let's type lorem ipsum. I don't want it. Go here and just hit this. There I go. For doing this, I have to wrong this also. Save it. Do it. Refresh. There we go. When you do this, you can see this is a full paragraph to know. Now we are going to create two websites in the we are going to create two websites in there. First will be a full HTML and some CSS, and the second will be full dynamic or some good. And now what we can do is add an li ul. Let's take an li. So let's learn first of all. Let's learn the li tag. These tabs are literally gone mad. Oops, sorry. Okay. Unordered list. Li means ul means. Let's talk about li. Oops, sorry. Just the li. Ordered list. Save it. Go here. Refresh. There you go. You just understand what does it means. Unordered list means there is nothing. It just create a list for you. And ordered list means it just adds in this dot. Now go on to Google or any, if you are in default browser, just type it HTML symbol stars, or you can just get anything. I will just minus. Let's go again to our course. Okay, now just go to new tab or any tab you need, and tab you are, and just type here HTML tags. Okay, this is not showing me result, but something gone wrong with my Google. Okay, just search HTML tags for li and ul. You can get it. Now what I have to do here is let's create some. Let's take our first here. Hello. Let's go to second word, third this. Save it over here. Refresh it. You can see how does it work. You understand it? How does it work? Just create 1, 2, and 3. Let's know about the order list. You just take this. If you remove it, I'll just remove this all. Save it from here. Refresh it. There it does. You understand what does it do? It doesn't do anything. It just adds something list items here. Or if you do this only in order list, we'll get the same results. Now, what if you have to get it all in the new lines? What you have done, I'm showing you the comment. This is a comment in HTML. Okay, so comment. What does a comment do? Comment means the line of code that just that is right is humans. You can just only mean the line of code that just mean that is for humans. To read. I just read a lot of things. If we uncomment it out, you can just think how does it work. Save it, and I will show you. You will tell no, it doesn't work. You where as it comes. Right. Now after ally, let's something you want now. Let's add one more paragraph. In the paragraph, here's something like this. Okay. Now, what if you have to just get this in the bold? What you would do? Now you can not write your bold. You can use one tag name as strong tag. Save it. Just see what does it do. You see, it just got a little bigger. What if you have to do this to what I should tell is what if you have to just do it in the form of what we should tell it like something like I just show you. Let's take something like that. Not getting that word. Let's save it and I'll show you if I got it in the. You can just manage. I just I'm not getting the things there, but I'll tell you in the next some minutes. Or something like italic. I understand. Sorry guys, but sometimes the programmers also just get it down here. Okay. Now I think we got something good points there. Now what if you have to get the links there? Means you have one page. Let's get the A, and this is the about. Now see, that's not a good exercise for just giving it. If we type A, that's not a good exercise for using this because this doesn't know if what if you have just do it in the another coded that it doesn't give it, and what you have to write your href equals to a body. Let's take anything about let's close it. And what if about, that's a good exercise, that's a good practice for doing this. Is one advantage of it, that if you go anywhere and see that code editor is not like this, what you would do, Hmm? There you go. You got one link. Let's open this. This will not go anywhere. Okay, course is about. Okay, what does it doing? I don't know. But guys, I'm just going to about save it or and oh, I understood what does it doing is it is going to call when I click here it will tell page not found, your file was not found. Go in the back side, here comes code back. I understood that. Okay. By mistake I just if you don't want anything you have to just design one page size, you can just keep it blank, or good thing is you can just keep it like this, it will not make any change. Fresh go here doesn't just it do this. Okay, what if you're to get an your line, but this is just sticking it up? What you can do? Just you can't write it anything like line spacing. You should just type two words: B R B R B R tag. Save it and just see what does it do. It just created a space between them both. Okay, now more thing is to create a line. What should you do if you want to create a line here down and create a line here also? For making it like a navigation bar, one thing is only there. Just add one tag name as HR. Sorry, caps lock no HR HR tag. Save it and just think what it will make, and it will just make a line over you. Let's make an HR tag here also. HR tag. Save it. Let's get it back. There you go. This will come as a navigation bar bordering. About do not go anywhere. No. Let's see what is just going here down. Blue color something. Okay, let's 1, 2, 3 go. Yep, this one. Show again. This one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This again. And now yeah, you learned literally basic syntaxes for creating website. No, you did not learn literally all, but you learned literally good. Now there are more tags. If you want to give an image, what should you give is image tag. What did to minimize it and what I'm to do? Right click, share or not share, double tap. I will open this image, copy image address, and I'll just open the video, paste it, save it. I'll just go to Chrome, reboot. There it does. What it does, you see, it just given us an images. Now, if you want to learn CSS or in depth and you have to learn text box, flags. Now, in this video, we're not going to cover all the things that, but I will try to cover some good points that will just use the basic CSS. Not to use CSS, display flags, display white spacing as well. See this image? There we go. What if you want this image for your backside? This is done by the CSS. And what if you want to color this black to blue? Now there are there are three types. One is inline, one is external, and one is both only. What if let's give this a chart h1 okay, HTY, that's an inline color. Blue, save it, open here and just refresh, you will get this blue. And I will show you the one more trick is get a style. Don't get this style. Call where is the H1? So give it a zero color of green. Oops, green. Okay, I don't know this Microsoft Teams. I have one meeting on it and seen how does it work. But good thing is not a good developer doesn't write here any code. We're going to use this main.css. If you don't know how to create, just go there, create a new file, or you can just create it from here also. Okay, here you will just write here the same. Where is h1 or h1? Color it of yellow, green. That looks something good. Refresh it. You tell, hey, why isn't it working, man? First you can import it. Okay, first you import it. Link, and just remove this. Okay, where the href, just main.css, save it, come here, refresh it. You can see this in yellow and green. Seen, you can see it. Yeah, now this is literally basics. Okay, that's basic. Oh, now what if you want to give a color of, I get the RGB by 111. Save it. I don't know what does it mean, but that makes a little bit black only. Wait, does it making something purple thing, something like that? Okay, purple. Now what does this do is wherever the HTML, just keeps that HTML there, and wherever the CSS, see, yeah, I will tell you a little bit. See, what does it do for creating a new file is it keeps HTML separate and CSS separate for become a dot to be messy. Learn literally small, but no, don't go because that's starting. What you have to give in font size of 44 pixel. Save and just see what does it do. Refresh. Just see how big does it go. Now this is literally basic HTML, CSS and JavaScript and CSS only. Now what if let's give it font family. What I would give is blue. Okay, I don't know what are the families. But this is opening again and again. I literally don't know, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay. None. Save it. Go here. Refresh. Okay, none. Then none. Just remove this from here. I'll just remove it. Okay. Allow the. Now what you have to give this little looks little small. What if? For that we use name as where is a, or if you have stored it in a variable you can just use it, or div I will show you div in a minute. I want to show you it at something at a little last moment, not at the last video, at little bit smaller time. Font size is to 10 pixels. Now this is YouTube if you want to use pixel anyway. Just got little small. 10 pixels small. That's why let's do something crazy. 100 pixel. Ah, that's called literally. Click it, doesn't go anywhere. Let's give it this also as 44 pixel. 30 pixels, save it, go here, refresh. Oh, it looks good enough. Right. Now, other thing you can do with it is just font. Wait. Okay, here you font. Wait. 10 pixels. What does it know? It just looks at something darker. I think not look, but we'll try it in the next way. And if you want to give an, what if you just remove this line from here, and what if font is, see, someone always hover it, wants something color to change like a Google does. See what does it? I got a new tab. Touch and just see how does it hovers. Just do something else. Navbar. Now what if I will hover it just little bit, or this also color change little bit. Just see at this lines here. You can see. Okay, let's go to here again and let's do this. First I will teach you how to change the color and remove the line. Let's give you that just the color is, let's blue. Save it and let's open it. Refresh. Is it just blue only? Something like that. Let's take that. Green. Save it. Refresh. Yeah, it just can't green. Okay, let's remove that line from here. You can just go with text decoration known. Save it. F5. It will not decorate any text. That's it. Now that's it. And what you have to do is hover, do this, hover, color yellow. Okay, now changing Y. Okay, I'll see you guys. But okay, wait. I want to hover it. Let's see. Try for this. Okay, not working here also. Heights Python not working here. I don't know why. Let's keep it as black. Oh yeah, it was just changing the color, but it was yellow because it's not black. Let's give white, then you can understand more. White. Okay, and I refreshed it. You need, when I click here, it just gone there. Okay, is here something? No? Oh, it's here. Now that's literally basic. Now we're going to create a basic HTML website. Let's create. First of all, what we have done here is something mess here. There's a lot of code written here. That's why what I'm going to do here is do something good. Hit what you have to Control A. Just comment it out. This is just making a problem. Now what I have to do here is I will literally remove it. Okay, this all is gone. We'll make this also. And we're going to create and one more site. Name as save as index.html and make one more index.css. That's I will okay, yes, sorry, I have not saved it. Save it again. I want to save this. Save this also means I will cut it. I can use it other way, but just looks just okay. Let's take the boilerplate. My site, or otherwise my new site. Now let's go in the body. Let's get our first tag is h1. Okay, this is my site. Save it and don't forget to right click, open in browser, because what we have done, it if we come here refresh, it will just go away. That's why just remove these tabs here. This is my site. Let's do, and now I'm going to show you one more thing. Where will the h1 text align center? Refresh. You will see, what is it doing? Nothing. Wait a second. Dot refreshed it. It would say it doesn't working. Why? Control. Because we have told you that wherever we do, we have to link it. Okay, just remove this. I don't want this. If you want, we can keep. Don't give a link to main.css, then it can create graphs. Okay, I have not saved it. Some things I don't like with it is sometimes I have not saved it because it doesn't go. Let's see. I done. Okay, good. This is my site. Now what more we can do with it is let's add the HR tag here. Save it, open it, refresh it. There we go. Now we are going to write a real paragraph. My website would like that I would like that would floor. Save it. I've just written anything there. Now I want to get in the middle. What I want to do now for getting the again for p tag, don't do that. You can just remove this and you can just write it body. Now what it will do, I will explain you. Wherever is body, sorry, here's the body or inside it, just whatever, just text on its center. Just see what it will do. It will not making any change. Why? Because I not save this and I also not save this. Body text line. There. Good. Hello, this is my site. Hello, this is my file website, and I would like you that you would that also I missed that. Just want to go to that. Okay, now let's open it again. This one, this one. Now what I have to do, we have to first create a navigation bar. We create at the last, but let's talk about this. Now what we have to do is write more text here. Before that I want to just go here and I have to just make a p tag, little bit font size. Where's the font size? Size of 30 pixels. Okay, that's good. I can't get it 30 pixel. I would get it to 20 pixels and just drag. Okay, that's little small. Let's take 27 at last. It can be big. Okay, good. We will write any dummy text here. That no, that will not. This is our site. You can go to contact us page to contact us, or otherwise can give a email to us. Let's give something else. Omkar, let's go with Omkar @gmail.com. Let's give it in the EM. That will make more sense. Okay, just okay. You can see who is reading it can just go and good thing here. Do is website, and I have to add a BR tag here. Okay, that looks good also, and what we want is it just come in the middle something. Then what you have to do is you have to just give it a margin left Margin left. Where's margin left? Okay, margin left. 22 pixels. Save it. Oh, you understand what does that make? Just wherever text comes, just goes point and point. Good. Now let's create a one more HR and a BR tag. Save it. Fresh. It just looks like a form. Okay, that's good. Now let's give it that image, but I don't have any image for mine. I will just give this image right here. Let's add my good. That is good. We can see we're not going to add we literally add very little CSS. We're not going to create dynamic page. We're going to create it at last. We're going to create a good navigation bar. This is a skeleton, like it's a skeleton of our site, but this is not our site now. This will not be our heading. This is not our paragraph. This is not our image, but this another way or another time. Let's minimize it and let's add it a footer. Footer. At the rate TM. Down.trade. Trade. Save it. Okay, what we need to give footer, can we give TTR footer? What does it got again? Okay, we create a footer at the last one. I don't know what is it working. Now here we create our basic front page. Now that's not good front page. Now what we can do is add a row. Refresh, it will not make this and not saved, I think so. Okay, I saved it now. Good, this is our first page, good page of working. This is our image, the paragraph. Now if you want to add any more image, you can add. Let's add one more image of, let's take in one more img. Take one more. Okay, I think so, it's enough. Minimize it. I will minimize. And what I have to do is with tag which I don't have an image now, but what I want to do is copy this only. Just I will paste it here. Good. Now you'll see how does it just sticks both to both. This. Okay, what I need to do, you can, I've taught you BR tag, right? Right. You can just give 2 to 3 BR tags. Oops, sorry. You just give 2 to 3 these BR tags. Let's give it, save it, go here, refresh, there you go. Do some spacing here. Good, our website look literally good. For that, let's in the footer we add an HR tag with a footer. Let's add here an HR. Let's add here an to HR tags. To H. Save it. We are going to create a navbar little bit time. Refresh. There we can see. This are two. Next one, let's I want to add here an VR tag and it looks very bad. Remove this. Good. Here one BR means HR now. This is to understand where is the footer, where is the body. Website literally looks good. Let's create the navigation bar. Right. Some is remaining, but now we are going to create a good website as last. To add images, add in video. What if you want to add in video? Iframe tag, and what? We can get any video here. Okay, what is about the doing? I will take a video. I have one movie Shazam. I will take it. Okay, I have this Shazam movie. Paste it here. I will just save it. Refresh. Here you can see our movie is there. A little small, but it looks good. Awesome. Will not watch this movie now because if I watch that, I would give it height and width. Give it here. I don't understand where to give. I just minimize it a little bit. Okay, I will add it here. We have width is equals to 50%. Save it. Open this. F5. There we can get it. Right. Good. With this 50%, we wanted 70. At the image, as where is the image? We want it like that. Now it got really far. What is it? Okay, basically I cut the sublime and get the sublime again. Get a 60. Save it. Don't know what this sound was it making. Refresh. Oh, it was small only. It's 59. 8. Only one is remaining. 57 I think so is enough. Okay, good. Now let's give it as a height. We will give its height to it again. Height equals to 50%. I don't know what does it will change. It is not changing. I don't know why. Small. We have to start the movie, but okay. Let's give it as 500 pixels. Refresh. There we go as a perfect picture shot. Let's watch the first 5 seconds. Good. We watched the video just 5 seconds. Good to go. Good website. I'm going to need it for an get it false starting, or we can keep it as a background image or background video. I just copy this and make it an star, and just I go here, and what I want to do here, body, background color, background repeat, background video is not there. Background position, origin, repeat image, blend is not there. Background slash background. Only we have to keep the background only. I want just the background, just okay. Background URL, paste it, save it, open it, refresh it. Is it the image? The video is like that, man, only. Like that only. Why I don't know, because this iframe double I don't want. Oops, sorry. I'm not understanding. It will make, oh, it is making. Okay, what I want to do here is no, I don't want it. I just want this URL. I don't want the height and width. Want just this. Go here, paste it. Oh, let's try paste it here. Not getting as it is in background. I don't know why. This is also but good. I will remove this background. I want to take the good background. I want a video background, but yeah, we have a video there also right now. The video is refresh. Oh yep, I understand. It will not take it because it was an video. We can give it as an image, something like that. Image, I will get this only image because I have no more images right now. Okay, good. Again, just try it. The image is working on now. Paste it, save it, refresh. Oh, it is doing, but it will not show it as that. Can you understood? Where is the image? Where is this? Okay, yeah, this is the image. This is the image. I can't read the text here, is it? I can read it now, but I don't know you are reading on, that's why I'm just doing this. Just hit control. Oh, I understood what is it doing. Yeah, we can just read it, but we don't want, we will take an background color. Let's take a background class color aqua. Oh, good to go. Hello inside, good. Where's the video? iframe src, we give the height and right. Oh, I not saved it. But we have now images also there. Our videos only we watch it for 5 seconds. Done. Come, good. Now let's create the navigation bar, that's the upper. For doing that, just go at the top, go here, two spaces, go here, add the header, or we can use this small h for header. Here we can. Let's give a header. In the header, we can create a navigation bar. Let's create it first. A href, sorry. href, let's give it a link. We're going to create afterwards 2 pages. Let's give it the link to main.html. Good to go there. Okay, now let's sorry, main, call it as main. Let's get the a function again, and this will go to nowhere. Just I want to all, I'm just calling it anything. Please you don't call it anything, you can just call it as good a anywhere. And let's about us, save it, go here, refresh it. Going to see, man, where is it? Oh yeah, not just go here. There is it. Main is that wise, and I understand why does it just give it. Let's give it as where is the a tag. Font size to 25 pixels. Go here. As we saved it, yeah, I saved it. Good to go. Main. There we go to main. That's why the link color is a little bit different from us. About we're going to create the whole function a little bit later, but let's create something, give the spacing them. And what I want to do here is, okay, let's do some styling to it because the color is not good at all, right? Color, fixed color of, we can give it a red because we are not going to create a full using a mine. No, the red looks totally. Oh yep, we can create this also. We can get it RGBA 111 space 1111 comma space 111. You can see there's a little bit grayish type. Main just goes anywhere. All goes. About us also goes. Now what we have done, one mistake we have done. For navigation bar we can't keep it to this corner. We have to keep it at the left, right, or we can just keep it at this also, but it will not give a good. Now literally the work of this HTML is done now. Add your HR tag, add your also an HR tag to ensure that that's an header. Okay, yep, you got it. In the middle you can just get this spacing right over there. Now let's just give them spacing a little bit. Yeah, okay. Now what more we have to do is just get it at the left corner. That's why what you have to do here is, where is the text align center, copy it, copy this, remove this from here, and wherever is B, paste it here. Where is A? No, we don't want for A. Let's go here and say it fresh. Okay, the image is there. H1 I have to get it down. Okay, the image is, it's also there. Let's get it. Now what we're going to do here is, wherever the H1 paragraph, okay, wait a second, and to get it in a div dot div दिसत नाही मला. टॅब हिट करायचं वय. अरे वा 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 वा. Let's get a div, and wherever this from iframe, copy this, paste it here, and you can just give it as class of all. You can just give it anything. Now what you have to do here is go here and give a new class dot all. Open this, and you can just do align items center, save it, go here, refresh it. I think I not saved it. Okay, let's see. I gave a class name to big. Dot all. Okay, wasn't it working? Dot all space and to save it here. Now it isn't it working? Okay, I have to just directly target the div. I want to see it. I think so I can target. That will be one more mistake I have done, is that what is dot all, and where's the dot all? I go here, and I just text align slash align items center. Let's save. Okay, now so it doesn't working. I don't want the movie to go there. I don't know, wasn't it? line item center dot all dot slash all is working. All. Okay, we have to target the divs. Okay, I have to see what I mistake done here. Is I get it on div classes are added here also div. So basically I took the header. So yeah, we just did it from to right. When you click on the main, he will come at this place. You can all the two. Now what you have to do here is where is the main.html. Control A and just do here. Okay. Save it, and what it will do is it will just do an miracle. Let's click on main. Oh ho ho ho, we got our first written command. Good. What if you have make it and just you have to just get the header here. Just we add 2 to 3 minutes. Wait, friends. The div is not good for us, guys. I'll remove this divs. Good. It will not make any change, but good. You can use main to go here. We will just copy and paste it. And let's take it, let's give it some spacing. For giving spacing, I have created one file named as HTML full tags. I will give you file in the description. If I can, I will give it. This is the tag, and I have full tags list here. I've used. Why do I take the tags list is because okay, didn't copy it. See, our navbar is also created. Let's make it something creative. Let's go to CSS, and where is the header? Let's give background color. Okay, we have background color of blue. Sorry. Oh, ha, ha, ha. No, we don't want the blue. We can take it as it is pink color. I literally don't know that. Just now it has come to red. Okay, this spacing is coming. I don't know why isn't it coming. Let's keep it as default, right? If you want to give a color, you can. But what if when you just hold it, you have to just change the color to something different? You can just go here on the next. Next, you can just write here header double dots hover color is equal to, let's give it as Yellow green color, save it, go here. Okay, our website is created. As back time I told you, it will not. Let's give white only. White. Okay, I understand why doesn't it working, because you have to give the links study. Yeah. Now let's do something crazy. Display inline flex. Now we have understood what I have done here. I don't understand. Okay, wait, I want calculator. Yes, I want you to do some calculation afterwards. I will do here. Okay, let's get the color of okay, it doesn't change anything. Display you understand the meaning of flex? Display flex means this. Send responsive nav bar. Oh no, I want to see it. It isn't it? Flex slash box. Isn't it? I want to see. Is it responsive or no? Isn't it? Just isn't responsive. I don't know. Something good to wait. Please. Flexbox. Display. Block. What's the meaning of a block? It will just display you a block. First default. You can see how does it works. Well, I will explain you. I just display the flex box. Font sizes I just bigger it. Let's go and read it. Yep. First project is I think so completed, guys. Let's start the movie for 5 seconds. This looks epic. We're just 6 seconds. Good. We have 2 images here. We understood how to get the background color. We understood how to make a navigation bar. Right. Then how do we just hover it and just it just changes its color. Let's give it as yellow. Index. refresh. There you go. That looks literally good. Fresh, good, awesome. Just about us all main. Good. Main all about us. Now, if you want to create pages more, you can just add to 10 to 20, but don't do like that. Create lots of pages and you can just place them right point into it. And that's it for today, guys, and I will see you in my next video.